In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add postage on Vinted. If you're getting ready to sell, setting up your postage options is essential so buyers can see accurate shipping choices at checkout and you can send items without delays. I'll walk you through exactly where to find these settings and how to tailor them to what works best for you. Start by heading to vinted.com in your browser. Once you're on the homepage and logged into your account, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This opens a small menu where you can access all your account controls. From there, choose Settings. This is where Vinted keeps your profile, payment, and sub-payment and shipping preferences in one place. Inside Settings, select the Postage section. This is your hub for everything related to shipping. Before you choose carriers, Vinted needs a reliable pickup and return address. Add your address here, making sure the street, city, and postcode are complete and accurate. If you live in an apartment or a building with access instructions, include clear details so couriers can find you easily. Accurate addresses prevent failed pickups and help labels generate correctly. Next, look for the area labeled Shipping as a seller. This is where you decide how you want to ship your parcels. You'll see options grouped by how the parcel gets into the courier's hands. Under From Your Address, select a courier that supports home pickup or shipping from your location. Choose the services you can realistically use considering pickup availability in your area, parcel size limits, delivery speed, and tracking. If you prefer convenient pickups and have someone at home during the day, enabling a home collection option can save time. Then, check the section labeled From a Drop-Off Point. This covers couriers that require you to take the parcel to a locker or a shop. Pick the networks that are easy for you to reach, whether that's a locker near your commute, or a store with long opening hours. This flexibility can help you ship faster, especially if home pickups aren't practical. For each courier or method, you can enable or disable the shipping option. Turn on the ones you can reliably use and switch off anything you don't plan to offer. More options can help buyers choose what suits them best, but keeping only the methods you're comfortable with ensures smooth dispatches. Your changes typically save automatically, and the setup will apply to your listings moving forward. That's it. Your postage on Vinted is ready to go.